Hey, I'm Don, and I love to travel, especially if I end up at a great hotel. I've stayed at some fantastic hotels and resorts in my life.
This place is unbelievable.
But sometimes I've been super disappointed. I started this channel because there's just too many boring, cookie cutter, just plain blah hotels in the world. I want to help people find hotels and resorts that can make their trip feel really special. Places that inspire, places that surprise, places that are unforgettable.
This is the coolest hotel room I've ever stayed in.
So what am I looking for in a great hotel? Looking for a boutique experience, something that's independently owned. You know, sometimes it's the details that make all the difference, like dramatic lighting, quirky art, great architecture, great interior design. I also want to show people that it's possible to travel more sustainably.
Screen door. You can sleep without the air conditioning. Thank you.
We don't take payments from hotels. We don't take sponsorships. Our reviews are 100% objective. We only recommend the best ones.
I've been to some great resorts around the world, and this has to be in the top 5.
This channel is not just for people with a lot of money. We're going to be covering high-end resorts for sure, but I don't think a place has to be really expensive to be really good.
That sounds super cheesy, but this place is whimsical.
Our hotel reviews are entertaining, at least I think they are, but they're also designed to help people make good decisions about where they're going to stay. Is this the right place for you, for your family? Does this look like it's fun? If you're into the Sheraton or the Hilton, this is probably not the right channel for you. But if you're looking for something more unique, something quirky, surprising, if you're looking for that vibe that is so hard to describe sometimes, but you know it when you see it, then we probably have something for you.